This is how you install text-to-speech in Chrome. It's there are a few extensions that you can install. In this video, we're gonna install one of them. So in order to do that, you go on your Chrome browser. You go Chrome Web Store, right? You go Chrome Web Store. On Chrome Web Store, you search for text. You search for read aloud. Read aloud. So over here, there are a few options, right? I use this one in this video. The readme, this one. Add to Chrome, add extension. And now it's added to your Chrome browser, okay? So let's test it. For example, over here we looked for meaning of general relativity, right? Meaning of general relativity. And let's test it on this text according to space.com, right? According to space.com. So you highlight the text, right? You highlight the text and you right click on the highlighted text, and over here it should be the read text. See, read text. You click on it.
General relativity is physicist Albert Einstein's understanding of how gravity affects the fabric of space-time. The theory, which Einstein.
Right click, read text.
General relativity is physicist Albert Einstein's understanding of how gravity affects the fabric of space-time. The theory, which Einstein.
Here, over here, let's, for example, try it on something else. Thomas Edison biography. We're gonna go on biography.com, right? Biography.com. And we're just gonna highlight this part of this text. Right click, read text.
Who was Thomas Edison? Thomas Edison was an American inventor who is considered one of America's leading businessmen and innovators. Edison rose from humble beginnings to work as an inventor of major technology, including the first commercially viable incandescent light bulb. He is credited today for helping to build America's economy during the Industrial Revolution.
Let's test it elsewhere. Courts.com. Let's try it here. Let's test it here, okay? Right click, so we highlight the text, right click, read text.
Sustainable energy. We need to transition to a clean energy future, where everyone has access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy. This will help to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the effects of climate change. Protecting the environment. We need to protect our planet's natural resources and ecosystems. This includes reducing pollution, conserving forests, and protecting endangered species. New technologies. We need to invest in research and development of new technologies that can help us to solve the challenges facing our planet. This includes developing new clean energy technologies, improving food production, and finding ways to live more sustainably. Space. We need to continue to explore space and learn more about our universe. This will help us to better understand our place in the cosmos and to develop new technologies that can benefit humanity. Peace. We need to promote peace and cooperation between nations. This is essential for solving the challenges facing our planet, such as climate change and poverty.
So what we did was we installed the text-to-speech, and that's how it works. And over here in the extension, you open the app, right? It's called Text Reader. You open the app, and in the setting, you can change some things like speed. This is the speed. If you want to the text-to-speech to read the text faster, you change this to the right, 1.5 times, 1.2, whatever. And there are some other settings that you can change, including the language. There are other languages, right? Arabic, French, Italian, Russian, Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, and all other. But right now it's on English, US English, right? So that's how you install read aloud called Text Reader in Chrome browser.